What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how I stop my fabric grow bags from drying out too quickly in the summer heat. I love growing annual vegetables in fabric grow bags. They're large, affordable, and the breathable fabric provides great aeration to the roots. And 8 to 9 months a year, this works out in my favor. But during the hottest months of the summer, it works against me because they tend to dry out a little too quickly. So I've devised a simple 2-step solution to help prevent them from drying out too fast. Step 1 is to install shade cloth overhead. Now what you see above here is 40% shade cloth. I have dozens of grow bags growing underneath the shade cloth, and this does a fantastic job at lowering the sun intensity, lowering the UV index, and keeping things artificially cool so there is less evaporation in all of my grow bags. And that has tremendously helped reduce the evaporation so they stay moist for a longer period of time. And working in tandem with the mulch layer that is in the bottom of all of my grow bags, they now make it through the day without needing irrigation, whereas if I had them growing out in the open, they'd need to be watered every single day, sometimes twice during the hottest periods of the summer. And the other thing I did was I put down this white tarp. It's a 6-foot by 40-foot long tarp, and it is underneath all of my individual grow bags. And I pulled the sides of the tarp up because black fabric grow bags will obviously attract heat and heat up more in the sun. So when I have this white tarp sticking up, it actually makes the grow bags cooler because white tends to reflect heat. So all of my grow bags are operating underneath a cooler environment. But this tarp also has a side benefit. I have drip irrigation running to all of my individual containers, and here in the southeast we get torrential thunderstorms, sometimes daily. And sometimes I accidentally over irrigate, I let them run too long, or we get a heavy thunderstorm and that washes all of the nutrients out of my grow bags. Well, without this tarp underneath, all of those nutrients would leach out of the grow bags and into the sandy soil, so I would lose all of the nutrients. This tarp is waterproof, so when the containers wash out, they actually sit in the puddle of water and then reabsorb those nutrients back into the system. Let me show you. Yesterday, we received a heavy afternoon thunderstorm, and that washed out my grow bags. And you can see evidence of the water there. Now, yesterday, this was probably a ½ inch of standing water, but my grow bags reabsorbed the water throughout the day because today was very hot and dry. So I didn't need to water my grow bags at all today. It retained all of that moisture in there. So instead of having all of that water wash out into the soil, it reabsorbed the nutrients. This has been a fantastic way for me to keep my grow bags moist for a longer period of time and not lose all of those nutrients every time it rains. Keep in mind, this could be a problem if you received an extreme amount of rainfall. If you got inches and inches of rain, you don't want these grow bags sitting in standing water for days on end. You could suffocate and drown the roots. So what I did was, this area of my garden slopes downward. It's a light downhill grade, so I didn't tie up the back of the tarp. So if we received absolutely torrential rain, it would actually run off and it wouldn't contain all of that rain. So this has really worked to my advantage. Now, we haven't had any substantial rain events like that this season, but we are liable to get it. In the event that I simply wash out my grow bags a little bit, or we get an afternoon thunderstorm, I wind up preserving all of the nutrients. If we got absolutely horrible rain where inches and inches fell, it would drain away so my plants wouldn't drown. If you're interested in the shade cloth, the tarp, or the fabric grow bags, I will place links to all of the items down in the video description. They come in all different sizes. This system has been incredibly efficient and successful for me. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.